Hello. I have green hair now. My tummy is okay. You're allowed to have a tummy. Tummies are healthy. I've always been the skinny girl. And now I have depression and anxiety, and my medications make my weight fluctuate. You and I are gonna fix our hair. Yes, get your ass out of bed and fix that hair. Oh my god. Take a shower, take your medication, and eat something. Okay? I'm gonna take a shower when I get back from my trip today, because I'm gonna go swimming outside in a lake. Fishies! So we're gonna do cute space buns because I have cute, crazy green hair that I love. See, that's cute as fuck. This is so, well, that's my two personalities, crazy and relatively maintained. Okay. Bikini is on. Tummy is out, and that's okay. I'm telling myself that because I want to love my body where it's at. And it's easier said than done because I want abs. I'm trying to be patient with myself because I literally got my knee replaced this year. Like, the weight will go down. I'm not going to force it. I'm going to be patient with myself. My body's still healing from surgery. Okay. This is what I'm going to wear to the lake today, because it's cute and I'm cute. Okay. I'm going to put you guys there. Don't fall for me. I know I look cute right now, but try not to fall for me, okay? Awesome. Okay. So, you and I, we're going to go back to Sly Park because we found the waterfall, right? I went to Sly Park for the first time. Hiked to a waterfall, almost got lost hiking to a waterfall, and then I met these two really awesome ladies that are very familiar with the area, and they're doggos, and I hiked the rest of the way with them to the waterfall and back. Hike to the waterfall again, go swimming. I want to make this channel like an exploration channel. Like, I Twitch stream my video game. I have a chronic illness. I'm introverted, and I'm working on getting more extroverted and like saying hi to people because I'm in a new area. I don't know a lot of people, and I technically don't have any friends here. Technically, I know that sounds really sad and pathetic, but it's the truth, and the only one that can change that is me. So I'm gonna work towards that. But yeah, all right, let's go to the car. Get outside. Get outside. Get off your ass and go outside, you crazies. I want to go do stuff with people, or like with a person, and I don't have my person yet, and I don't have any friends locally yet. So I'm gonna go do it by myself, and I'm taking your asses with me to encourage you to go do it too. First, don't come for me. I don't get Starbucks very often, and when I do, I typically just get a cup of water because I don't want to support businesses that kill people. But I did get a bacon and goudas. Bacon, egg, and goudas. Bacon, egg, goudas. Bagoudas! I like that. Okay, if I can learn how to make my own bacon and goudas on a brioche bun, then I will. Gorgeous. Went for a swim. There's a couple of them, and they're like the same color of my hair. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh, that one's coming really close to me. They're so colorful. Wow. Getting them or not? Oh, yeah. Oh, they're so small. That's so cute. Fishies. There's so many. Oh my god. Oh, there's a different color one. That's so cool. I want to leave like around 6 or 7. I think it's around 5 right now, maybe. And I want to hike to the waterfall. It's such a pretty spot, and I want to explore it some more. So that is the goal. That's where I'm going to take you guys. I like that my hair matches the lake water. This water's cold, so I know the waterfall water is going to be even colder. So I stuck my Sprite in the water to cool. So when I'm thirsty, I'll have a cold Sprite. I like that I'm still petite, even though, like, since getting my hips and knees replaced, I'm like curvier. And I'm like watching the videos back of me like getting in and out of the lake on camera. And I want to get more fit. But I have to be patient with myself. That's what I have to remind myself, because I get so hard on myself to where it's like, I want to do this and this and this. And it's like, okay, what is it? The best results take the longest time. Like, you can't microwave this. Almost got lost, but didn't get lost. So we're making our way to the waterfall. Almost there. Beep. You can hear the water stronger, I think, as we're getting closer. I don't know if that's the right word, but we're getting closer. I left all my stuff at my spot because I didn't want to take it to the car and then walk back, because it would be dark by the time I got here. So hopefully my stuff will still be there. If it's not, I have everything that I need that's like valuable to me. So most of the stuff is like my camping chair and my food. Gorgeous. We're so close. It's so nice. The water is freezing cold. My toes are probably close to numb, but definitely worth it.